Now, this illustration deals with AFCI protected outlets in accordance with NEC 210.12a. And notice that we're leaving GFCI protection now. And we're reviewing these AFCI protected outlets. And notice it says outlets now. So that indicates, that all the outlets in the rooms that you see in the illustration, these outlets have to be GFCI protected. And those receptacles that are not GFCI protected, if replaced, they have to be GFCI protected as required in Article 406, when you look at 406.3 and 4, that deals with GFCI and AFCI protected. And notice these locations in 210.12a is highlighted above this illustration, showing the rooms and bathrooms and dining rooms, etc. Now notice, right coming out the gate, family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, parlors, libraries, dens, bedrooms, sunrooms, recreation rooms, closets, hallways, or similar rooms in areas that the building code or the authority having jurisdiction classifies as such rooms. So this figure 10-50 is illustrating the areas in a dwelling unit where AFCI protected outlets are required to have such protection.